Hello guys, welcome back. Today we have UX-14 Scorpio Spear on 070 Zap. Took a little long in shipping, but without further ado, let's get into it. First up, we have the winder and long winder ripcord in a nice yellow and black. Really nice, but other than that, it's just a standard launcher. Let's get into the bay. First, we will start with the bit. Zap, which is basically Excel, but a little lower and has a ball inside of it, just as point would, in a nice, cool looking red. Next, we have 070 in a nice cobalt drake blue and red, which is pretty neat looking, which actually will make this pretty cool on, Cobalt Dragoon if I'm ever going to do a 070 Elevate build. If I ever get Elevate. Anyways, yeah, other than that, it's just really burst prone due to the long hooks. And yeah, other than that, there's nothing really special about this ratchet besides it technically being new. Finally, we have Scorpio Spear. And it looks beautiful in a nice orange, red, and yellow color scheme. It has... Ooh. I didn't actually expect it to be this, smooth. But okay. Let's get into weighing this guy. Alright. Blade weight test. A whopping 39.65. Yep, 39.66 to 65. Not the heaviest I've seen online, but definitely heavy. Especially heavier than my Impact Drake. Now, time for the full combo. 39.17. Wow, that is heavy. Holy cow. I guess let's get into the battles. First, we are going to be doing a test launch with the launcher. Three, two, one, go. Shoot! Oh. And oh my, is that aggressive. Holy cow. Let's do one more. Three, two, one, go. Shoot! Now let's get in. Oh, and look, it has changed. When in attack mode, you cannot put it on the launcher due to these white parts right here. But when it is in defense mode, you see the parts as shown. The launcher can go on. For example, put on normally, defense mode, it goes on. Without it, kind of just falls off. Oh, yep, just falls off. Now, let's get into the battles. First up, we have Wizard Rod on 960 ball. Let's get into it. Especially in late game. See if it can get the win against Rod, though. Heck yeah. Next, we'll be using Rock Golem on 970 Hexa. could not beat Rock Golem. Alright, next I'll be testing a single custom combo that I thought would be pretty good on this guy, and see how it does. Alright, we'll be using Wizard Rod on 960 Ball versus 960 Low Flat on Scorpion Spear. Let's see how well it does. Surprisingly, it hasn't changed all that much in battle testing. Ooh, okay. This time, it did switch to attack mode. So yeah, it's working great. Final two battles will be going against Rock Golem 770 Hexa. Such a hard hit, it could not pass. The weight on this guy is insane. Alright, 960 low rush has to be my favorite build for it so far, even though I haven't tested anything else. Finally broken the layer 2, so it's working now. But yeah, let's get into the review. Alright, Scorpion Spear has to be one of my favorite layers to use of all time through the entirety of my Beyblade career on Beyblade X. It is heavy, hard-hitting, and just chaotic, which fits me perfectly. Not the same cannot be said for 070 and Zap. Zap I need to do a little more testing on, but 070 just scrapes too much and is prone to burst. I don't think I have any battles showing in the video for it, but I did a couple more off screen, and it was just so prone to burst. So, without further ado, on a scale of 1 to 10, I have to rate this Beyblade probably a good solid 7.5 or 8 out of 10. The layer is great. The bit is confusing, but I think I can make some builds with it, hopefully. And 070 leaves much to be desired. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.